May I help you, miss?
Yes, I'm excited to hear about your new product.
Okay, I believe this set of router motherboard DR6018C V01 will bring a lot of benefits to your company's business. Please let me introduce you in detail. This product has 3.1G Ethernet ports, 1.1G Ethernet ports both, 2.4G Ethernet port and 10G optical port. The difference between it and the 6018 is that it has an optical port, which can meet your various needs. In addition, this is an endpoint to card slot, which can be used to support our company's Pinyin 7.4 Wi-Fi 6 card. And finally, the chip of this motherboard is Qualcomm-Atheros IPQ6010, which also supports OpenWRT.
Yes, I would have to agree with you. It seems to offer more options than the others, but new products sometimes has a few troubles. How about yours? How do you ensure quality?
We will conduct strict inspection before the goods leave the warehouse. If there is a quality problem, we also have a good hardware and software team to help you solve the problem, so you don't need to worry.
Okay, thanks. I'll think about it.